Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best laptop backpack is probably one of the most essential accessories for students, professionals, and digital nomads alike, offering a secure and organized way to transport your valuable technology wherever your day takes you. With the increasing reliance on laptops for work, study, and entertainment, a well-designed backpack with a dedicated computer sleeve is no longer a luxury but a necessity, ensuring your device remains protected from bumps, scratches, and the elements while keeping other essentials easily accessible. Number 5. LOVEVOOK Laptop Backpack for Women. Experience superior quality with upgraded zippers and durable, water-resistant fabric. This backpack is designed for longevity and offers ample space with 2 compartments and 19 pockets to organize all your essentials. The reinforced main compartment opens wide, allowing you to easily see and access your belongings. It's perfectly organized for your work, teaching, or nursing needs. Safeguard your electronics with a dedicated padded compartment that fits up to a 15.6-inch laptop and a separate slot for your tablet. It provides optimal protection for all your devices. This backpack is airline approved and fits perfectly under your seat. It features a convenient luggage strap and a built-in USB port for easy device charging on the go. Keep your valuables safe with a hidden anti-theft pocket. This backpack is ideal for work, travel, college, and daily use, making it a practical gift for anyone. We stand by the quality of our product, offering excellent customer service, easy returns, and a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This backpack offers upgraded quality with durable zippers and reinforced seams. Its wide-open design makes accessing your items a breeze. If you are a professional like a teacher or nurse who needs to organize many items and access them quickly, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The multiple pockets keep everything organized, the built-in charge port is incredibly convenient for work on the go, and the color brightens my day. Durable, roomy, and stylish, highly recommend for anyone who travels or commutes with tech. The bag is spacious and deep enough to comfortably fit a 15.6-inch laptop along with important paperwork, making it very functional for daily use. It keeps everything in one place without feeling cluttered. I also love the added features. It includes a convenient charger port for on-the-go device charging and offers water-resistant material, which helps protect your belongings from unexpected spills or light rain. It has so many pockets. There were pockets I didn't even notice at first. The bag itself holds a lot, and since I carry a lot it also weighs a pretty hefty amount and it holds up. No fraying, no stitching coming loose, nothing. It's a great quality bag and it's worth the money. Number 4. LOVEVOOK Laptop Backpack Purse for Women. This backpack purse offers a delicate and stylish appearance, yet boasts a surprisingly large capacity. It's designed to hold all your essentials for life on the go. Stay organized with its thoughtful design, featuring multiple compartments and numerous pockets. Everything you need for travel or work will have its place. Your electronic devices are well protected with a dedicated, cushioned compartment for laptops up to 15.6 inches and a slot for a 12.9-inch iPad. Experience a fashionable and timeless design, enhanced by classic V-shaped embroidery and premium materials. It's a stylish accessory that makes a great gift. Enjoy comfortable carrying with its ergonomic, breathable shoulder straps and sturdy leather handles. It's built to last with reinforced stitching at all stress points. This versatile backpack is perfect for any situation, whether you're heading to work, traveling, or enjoying outdoor activities. Stay powered up on the move with the integrated USB port. Easily charge your phone while walking, offering ultimate convenience. What we like? This backpack boasts a stylish quilted design that's both fashionable and timeless. It features multiple compartments to keep your essentials organized and a convenient USB port for on-the-go charging. If you prioritize style and need a versatile bag for work, travel, or daily use, this is an excellent option. What people say? Large storage capacity and functionality in having lots of pockets for everything you need for travel, a diaper bag, going to the office with your laptop, iPad, tablet, etc. This shows its versatility to be used for any of your daily activities. Ability to charge my phone by connecting a power pack inside. I was surprised by how much stuff I was able to put in it, that I was able to keep everything well organized, and how easy it was to carry with the weight distribution. Plenty of pockets to keep you organized, almost too many, but whoever complained of too many pockets, right? Easy to put on my back. Zippers were nice and easy to use with quality fasteners. Def recommend this bag. I got the black bag, but what's critical to me is that the inside is light colored so you can see what's in there. Number 3. Light Flight Women's Travel Backpack. This backpack boasts a large main compartment, perfect for carrying your daily necessities like books, a tablet, and even clothes. It also features a dedicated laptop compartment that fits up to a 15.6-inch device. Keep your belongings tidy and secure with multiple pockets. A front zippered pocket offers easy access to small items, while a hidden back pocket keeps your valuables safe. Side pockets are ideal for your water bottle or umbrella. Stay powered up wherever you go. This bag includes a USB charging hole on the side, allowing you to easily charge your phone without needing to take out your portable charger. Travel with ease thanks to the comfortable, mesh-padded shoulder straps that reduce pressure. It also features a convenient luggage strap, making it easy to attach to your suitcase for effortless transport. With its simple yet stylish design, this backpack is perfect for any situation. It functions beautifully as a book bag, laptop bag, work companion, travel essential, or college backpack. What we like? This backpack is designed for easy charging with a convenient external hole for your power bank. It also includes a luggage strap for effortless travel and is made from water-resistant material for protection. If you're a frequent traveler or commuter who needs to keep devices charged and belongings protected, this backpack is ideal. What people say. It features a smart layout with multiple compartments, including a dedicated padded laptop sleeve that keeps my device secure and easy to access. The materials feel premium, tough, water-resistant fabric with reinforced stitching in all the right places. The padded shoulder straps and ventilated back panel make it surprisingly comfortable, even during long travel days or commutes. I am able to fit 2 computers, one 17-inch PC, and one MacBook Air, as well as my iPad Air, an expandable file folder, notebook bag that has various charging cords and my calculator, a pencil bag, an umbrella, a makeup bag, a sweater, basic toiletries, my water bottle, 32 ounces hydro flask, my over-the-ear headphones, and some snacks in that bag, and it still doesn't feel overstuffed. The straps seem to be of good quality, and I love that it has a carry loop and a trolley strap. This backpack has it all. I went on a 10-day trip that was both work and personal time, and this backpack did great. I took my work laptop, 16 in a laptop cover case, and fit nicely in the compartment. It has so many pockets for whatever your heart desires. I was able to fit all of my smaller items and knickknacks in here, including hairbrush, all go my toiletries, jewelry case, all of the souvenirs I purchased, and still so much room for more. Number 2. ZINZ Slim Expandable Laptop Backpack D01G01. This backpack offers 2 modes, an ultra-slim style for daily commutes and a 200% expandable capacity for when you need to carry more. Switching between them is incredibly easy. Crafted from durable, recycled fabric made from PET bottles, it's tear and water resistant. This ensures your belongings stay protected while being environmentally conscious. Keep your essentials tidy with a dedicated velvet-lined compartment for your laptop, multiple pockets for accessories, and side pockets for water bottles or umbrellas. It fits most 15 to 16-inch laptops, including models like the MacBook Pro Neo 16 and Dell XPS 1516. The external dimensions are 16.34 by 12.2 by 1.575.51 inches. Enjoy the convenience of an external headphone jack for easy phone connection and smooth, durable metal double zippers for secure, everyday use. Whether for professional work, travel, or daily commutes, this backpack serves you well. It's also a great gift idea for holidays like Valentine's Day and Christmas. What we like? This backpack offers variable capacity, allowing you to switch between an ultra-slim profile and an expanded mode for more storage. It's made from durable, recycled, water-resistant fabric and features an external headphone jack for convenience. If you need a versatile bag that can adapt to your needs, from a slim daily commute to a larger travel pack, this is a great choice. What people say. The backpack has a dedicated computer sleeve that fits my 15-inch laptop perfectly. Multiple compartments help keep my belongings organized, and the padded straps make it comfortable to wear even when fully loaded. Number 1. JanSport Driver 8 Rolling Backpack. Always be organized and ready to go with this rolling laptop bag. It includes a padded sleeve to keep your computer secure anywhere. This laptop backpack is designed for convenience. It has smooth wheels, a telescopic handle, and tuck-away shoulder straps for when you need to carry it. Whether you're heading to class or work, this sleek rolling backpack will help you express your style. It's available in multiple stunning patterns. Made to be strong, this wheeled backpack features high-quality materials and amazing, long-lasting construction. Designed to be functional, this college backpack includes large main compartments, a side bottle pocket, and a front organizer pocket. It will always keep you organized. What we like. This rolling backpack is perfect for those who need to transport heavy loads with ease. It features smooth wheels, a telescopic handle, and tuck-away shoulder straps for versatile carrying options. If you frequently travel or commute with a lot of gear and want to reduce strain on your shoulders, this wheeled backpack is an excellent solution. What people say. The rolling feature is so convenient and easy to use, and it's made a huge difference in her daily commute to school. I'm impressed with the quality and durability of the backpack, too. The material is sturdy, and the wheels are smooth and quiet. The multiple compartments and pockets keep her belongings organized and within reach. It rolls like a dream, has a durable shell, and solid seams. The color is a really nice blue and will really help with all the books my kid has to carry this year. It's a huge plus that there are 3 pockets, and it has a wide enough base that it doesn't tip easily so long as it isn't front-loaded. 4 double zippered sections with heavy-duty zippers and pull tags attached on one side. This bag achieves the ability to stand up on its own very well, and I find that a huge plus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.